Thank you Saudi Arabian customers for purchasing our EA640F2 indoor LED display. This screen adopts p3.91 pixels, has excellent visual effects, can provide clear and delicate pictures, and is widely used in high-end indoor applications such as conference rooms and exhibition halls. The LED module, power supply, and receiving card of EA640F2 are all front-mounted, making daily maintenance more convenient and quick. Users can easily replace and repair from the front without disassembling the entire screen. With its excellent image quality and reliability, EA640F2 has become an ideal solution for indoor fixed installation projects. Whether it is used for commercial display or information release, EA640F2 can meet high-quality display needs.